Aw, emakhosini, sanibonani football lovers. Welcome to BKS Sports with Bonginkosi, Bongikhosi. Ngithembe ukuthi ni kahle, niyaphila, ongekho kahle, ngithembe ukuthi uzoba kahle. Ngiphethe indaba, but before cela ningisize ngento yodwa. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. But if you have already subscribed, please don't forget to leave a like on the video. Ngabonga kakhulu futhi kungawenza omkhulu umehluko. Danko. Hayi kahle no. IKaizer Chiefs ayibuye manje. Umuntu sekazophenduka uhulumeni ngokuhlala ekhaya. Ngagcina nge7 December kuphathwa istress. No, ayibuye. Sengize ngiyanona nje. I can feel it in my stomach. No, ngeke, it can't be. Ngiyala. Okay, ngaphambi ukuthi sekudeni, I have a question here and I'd like to be responded by our viewers. Which player would you like to prefer between these two left wingers? Is this player or that player? Yeah, ngiyabona angishongo gama and I didn't put any picture with video so that nizobona. But I hope ukuthi ngokuhamba kwesikhathi you will see ukuthi ngikhuluma ngobani. But for now, let's focus on what is happening in Echorena. We have ama left wingers. I think we have 3 if not mistaken. We have Asanele Velepai, Claude Lilebo, and Upule Mode Munatwa Ketet. And in all these 3, nakanjani Upule Mode is skating on thin ice because a contract yake is ending on June 2026. Wow, says good 2026 well. So which means ukuthi if it doesn't pull up his socks, nakanjani Echorena bazomtetela. But I don't know what is happening with Upule Mode. Ever since that incident of Okanyisa Mayo, he has never been the same. Because we know very well what is good when it comes to 1v1. But even when it comes to Ama 1v1, he doesn't do Ama take-ons anymore. He lost his confidence fully. And Uguze Aibuyise, it will take a lot. Hopefully on this second half of the season that is going to commence, he will make sure he pulls up his socks because it is important to do so. Because if not, they'll replace him with another player. Because as I've said, there are 2 left wingers that can side for Kaizer Chiefs and there's a possibility. But for now, I guess Kulumege, now I'm left wingers for Kaizer Chiefs. We saw Ovelepai signing for Kaizer Chiefs and we've seen what he's capable of. I don't know ukuthi such a bliss ukuthi iJezelisha, that's why he's taking the spotlight for Upule Mode. Upule Mode vele sekayehlisile igauge. But with uClaude Lilebo, as he was used before as a right winger, but now he's mostly used as a left wing. It simply means it gives us another variation compared to the 2 left wingers that I've mentioned. But for now, the important thing is to understand ukuthi if it happens that Kaizer Chiefs, they say they sign one of these 2 left wingers, it will simply means that competition will be high and is going to challenge players like Abo Velepai, players like Abo Claude Lilebo to bring up their A game. Because we know very well Claude Lilebo got injured, Velepai is still new in the team, he's trying to find his feet. But nakanjani, what is important is for you to have that input that is going to help the team. Because we know very well as a winger you are expected to be good in terms of having skill to eliminate our defenders. We must cross the ball, of which some of our players are finding it difficult. We must make sure that you score when you get an opportunity, assist if you get an opportunity. But the most important thing, be a team player. But for now, if I'm going to talk about these 2 players, obviously nakanjani, these are players Kaizer Chiefs cannot miss out on. They cannot miss out on because of what? There is tight competition from our rival teams that want these players because of what they know what they are capable of great things. Look at their age. You see what they can offer Kaizer Chiefs good performances for the coming 3 to 4 years, because that's what we need in a player. Continuity. That's why we have this squad of about players that are below the age of 26. Because of what? You want to have a team that is going to play alongside each other for a long time. Why? Because we've seen Manchester City do it. We have seen Mamelodi Sundowns do it. So for Kaizer Chiefs, they need to do it also so that it can be able to they find chemistry amongst each other. Okay, asiphume ke lapho. Now ke lama player that I wanted to talk about is uDaniel Msendame. And shoda nge-DM, hey akona uqondana kwezinto lokho. Daniel Msendame initial DM, but no, asikho lapho. We're talking about the Zimbabwe international player. I don't know ukuthi the interest started after they've seen him go AFCON or they were there before, because I remember there were once links between him and the Kaizer Chiefs on the season 2024-2025 season, I remember, but they vanished into thin air. I don't know why, but now it seems that the Kaizer Chiefs are willing to sign this player. But now with Orlando Pirates wanting him also, it is making it difficult for even Kaizer Chiefs, because we know very well Guti, if there's another club that is there and then they have to choose between Kaizer Chiefs and the club, it is going to be a matter of a player deciding what I want to go to Chiefs, but the club that he's playing for will offer him to go to Orlando Pirates, because at Pirates you are going to get this and that. You won't get a this and that at Chiefs. But also the agent plays a huge role. So Kaizer Chiefs, that's why at some point they are finding it difficult with ithola players wafunayo, because nangapha khuluma imali, because into yokuthenga ibalekile. And the Kaizer Chiefs at the current moment, their recruitment strategy is not based on paying huge amount of money for a player, because they take it as if it is a risk. What if that player doesn't perform? Yabo. So that's why, but that's not an excuse. Okay, let's talk about this other player again now. Let's talk about Upuso Dithejane. Upuso Dithejane is the talk of the town. I've just heard Uguti, seems like Kaizer Chiefs are pushing very hard to bring him back home, because there's no place like home. But now, the only thing that I think would make it difficult, it is because there's an offer from Mamelodi Sundowns, and there's another club, if I remember well, that was mentioned with Soccer Beat, which is from MLS. So it's all about now the agent, the player, and the team. Are they on the same wavelength? Because Upuso might want to come back, but the money that they are offering the other clubs might be tempting. And we know which players are like cars in auction. They are selling them to the highest bidders. And if Sundowns bids high, nakanjani bazothamba ku Sundowns. If that club from the MLS, nakanjani uzoyiswa khona, even though the heart is at Chiefs. And we have a good relationship with Tim Sugas. He won't mind selling Upuso Dithejane to a Kaizer Chiefs for a good price if Kaizer Chiefs are willing to pay. But if Mamelodi Sundowns can produce with no, we are flexing our financial muscle, naye imali on the table, nakanjani naye uzomyisa lamela yakhona, because of what? He's a businessman, and everything that he does is for the betterment of the team. Ukuthi the player kuyenzakalani la yakhona, because it might happen ukuthi he'll face stiff competition from players like Tashreeq Matthews. But the Chiefs nakanjani is going to be a healthy competition futhi, because uzohlangabezana nabo Velepai, uzohlangabezana nabo Lilipo, nabo Modi. So it will depend ukuthi who will cancel who lapho zodlana zizodwa. But the good thing about Dithejane is that he can also play as a number 10. The number 10 that people are stressing about, we must sign a number 10. While there's an option which is converter Mfundo Vilakazi, we still have 10 Chislet ungakadlaliswa. But for Upuso Dithejane and uDaniel Msendame, for me, it is highly possible ukuthi in these two players we can get Msendame, not Upuso Dithejane, because Upuso Dithejane kudingeka izinto eziningi. But if Kaizer Chiefs manage to pull this off, it simply means ukuthi they are serious about making sure that the club returns to where it belongs. I don't know, what do you think about this? But these two left wingers, I believe for a fact that they are good and they can change how we attack, especially as we transition going forward using a wing play, because of the smartness of Uditejane, decision making, the quickness of Umsendame, the explosiveness going forward. Because even if it happens ukuthi uPulemode get released, nakanjani, it opens up a space. But also for Umsendame, it's going to be a worry of a foreign quota. But I think now say right, because sekayihlalile full 6 years with Kotaro in South Africa, so score on space so you want, and obviously they're gonna reserve it for a forward play. Or let's sign one of our own South African born player, Upuso Rutejane. What do you think about this? Ungakhohlwa ke ukulike nokusubscribe to the channel. Ikhosi aliphele moya. Sobonana kwivideo elandelayo.